Yes. Yeah, this is the second edition of village life. Day 2 of village life. Ekyalo. Kigamba kitya. How's village life in Uganda? Yeah, so this is my bike. Yeah, about these side mirrors. You know, because of these vehicles, heavy vehicles, the trucks and everything. So they move from behind, so at the moment you can easily get an accident if you don't have these side mirrors on your bike. So they help you to see from behind what's coming, so that if it requires you to move away, just move away. Yeah, so this is my bike. I'm from work. Yeah, so there's that route. Now I'm taking this route. Yeah, day 2 of riding the bike. Day 2. Of riding the bike. Yeah, the serious one. It's a serious bike. About these side mirrors. Actually, I remember I was teaching a topic in senior 2 about reflection. So, and I asked students the application of reflection in everyday life. So this is it. This is reflection. To help us, they are used on vehicles, bikes, to see what is from behind. Because every time you can't be checking what is coming from behind. So maybe in the process of looking behind, you can easily cause an accident. But now, if you have mirrors, just looking. The mirror see what is coming from behind. Yeah. So this is day 2 of village life. Yeah. When you get time, you can just move around and explore Uganda. Yeah, this is maize, someone's maize, not mine. Yeah. This is eucalyptus. Yeah, there's a project I want to work on using eucalyptus leaves. Yeah. You know, eucalyptus leaves are used as mosquito repellents. These are natural mosquito repellents. So I want to extract the oil from them. And you see how we can apply the chemistry. I think I want to use steam distillation. We extract that oil, and maybe you can make a mosquito repellent. You know, mosquitoes contribute, I can say, 80% of towards world's death. Yeah, especially here in Africa, people are so much dying from diseases attributed to mosquitoes, typhoid, malaria, and so on. So there's that project I want to work on, and I see. Yeah. I'm about to reach. You're the bike. Yeah, this is the bike. Although, this is what makes life interesting. Yeah. This is what makes life interesting. Not eating good food, but having this type of freedom, leisure. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about